In this video, we are going to see how we can use the MatBadge module in our Angular application. We will have different badges and we can add the text on the badge and we can display on the top, on the starting below. These are the different places that we can use our badge and we can apply the colors. Even we can apply the icon over the badge. Let us start creating from the scratch by adding the MatBadge module in our Angular application. So we will be start using our same component material demo in order to demonstrate the use of batch module. So all we have to do is to start working on the same component and we will be start adding the module over in our material module that we have created. So right now we are going to start one by one. So we have added our module in our material module that we have created, and here we are going to start adding our first notification batch. Let's say right now I am saying notifications equals to 0. Let me just remove this for time being. So now we can see we have created our first batch and the value is 0 that we have provided. If we provide the value, let's say 3, then value here is 3. If we want to hide on the basis of condition, then we can also do with the help of MatBadgeHidden attribute, and with the help of setting of this property we can hide also our batch. So right now the condition is false, that's why it is visible. If I am saying batch equals to 0, then do not display, so it is not visible now. So in this way there are different ways in order to create the badges. If I am saying the mat batch position should be below before, then let's see the output. Below and before the text, and it is below. Again, if I am saying below but after, then it means first of all the text will be displayed, then it will come below. If I am saying the position should be above before, then it is above but before the text. You can see. Above and before, but the mat batch size should be small. We can see above and before, and the size is small. If I am saying above and before, but the size should be medium, So you can see the size is medium, above and before. If I am saying batch size should be large and the position should be above and before, then size is large, and the remaining thing that we generally create is as it is. Now if I am giving the matte badge color equals to primary, then what will happen? You can see the color primary is applied, that is by default. Let me apply some different color. If I am saying matte badge color equals to accent, then that color has been applied. Let's see, the color should be on and matte badge overlap equals to false. Then what will happen? It is not overlapping and it is coming with some space. If we are trying to give some icon instead of the text that we generally provide, then that is also possible. Let me save. So you can see in this way you can define the different properties like match badge size and badge color and overlap position and whatever value that we generally define, and we can also hide and show on the basis of condition. So these are the things that we can perform with the help of MatBadgeModule.